Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Completely Me with Dr. Justine Green. Can you guess what this video is going to be about? Has a theme: yellow, black, backpacks. You got it, it's school. And our favorite vehicle, the school bus. Let's jump right to it. So this month's bin is all about school and our favorite vehicle, the school bus. I have a lot of fun things for us to play with in this month's bin. First, we have a yellow scooper. We can open it up and use it with our fingers to scoop our rice. This really helps us build the muscles that develop writing skills. It's called tri-grip. We have a few containers for pouring and twisting. Look at that. It's a wheel. And you open it, you can pour and close it and let your imagination run wild. Oh, I found a school bus. And this one is yellow. We can open it up with our fingers and our hands and take off the lid to have more things to pour into. And when we close it up, maybe it becomes a gift for someone else or a lunch. Are you playing restaurant? We have our handy dandy scooper. And our science beaker. You may find this in a school or in a classroom or anywhere where you experience science. We have our taste-safe rice and our favorite two colors that go along with our school bus, the yellow and black. And our last part of our bin is our yellow tube. You can use it as a funnel, as a musical instrument. Do you hear that? Ooh! And moving it round and round and pushing it closed and opening it up really helps with hand-eye coordination and muscle movements. Are you ready to play? Because I am. Come. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus cry wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, the mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. The daddies on the bus play peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. The daddies on the bus play peekaboo, all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the Now it's time to calm breathe. It helps us regulate our emotions, and it's really important to learn how to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. When the ball gets really, really big, that's when you fill your body up with air. And when we push it really small, we let all that air out. We're gonna do it 3 times. You ready? I know you're ready. That was really good. Let's try it even bigger next time. Last time, one more. In through your nose, out through your mouth. I feel better. Do you? It's bubble time. I can't contain my excitement because bubbles are my favorite. And I just got this brand new bubble maker. Are you ready? I'm gonna need your help to pop, pop, pop all the bubbles you can. You ready? Set. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to hit the like button. To learn more about child development, parenting, and the disabled world, make sure to hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to sign up for the Completely Me activity kits that your little ones will love. See you again soon.